Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host, and today we're talking about the latest in electric vehicles. Specifically, we're looking at the world of electric unicycles, also known as EUCs. These unique bikes are getting a lot of attention from thrill seekers and commuters alike. Now, let's dive into what makes EUCs so special. Firstly, they're incredibly portable. You can just free mount one and take it with you wherever you go. It's like having a super-powered skateboard that can handle everything from sidewalks to stairs. And once you get the hang of it, riding an EUC is liberating. You've got an unprecedented level of freedom and maneuverability. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. EUCs are still relatively new technology, and they require a bit more skill to ride than your average bike. The learning curve can be steep, especially for beginners. But trust us, it's worth the effort. Not only do you get to experience the thrill of riding an EUC, but you also reap the benefits of improved balance, coordination, and overall fitness. Now, let's talk about some of the top brands in the EUC game. We've got InMotion, eWheels, EV, and Bigode Falcon, just to name a few. These brands are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with electric unicycles, offering everything from basic models to high-end suspension-equipped tanks that can handle even the toughest terrain. One thing to keep in mind is that EUCs are still largely unregulated in North America, so be sure to check your local laws and regulations before hitting the roads. And don't forget to wear proper safety gear, a full-face helmet, wrist protectors, knee shin guards, and of course, a bit of common sense. When it comes to maintenance, EUCs are actually pretty low maintenance. Just make sure to keep your tire inflated, check your batteries regularly, and give the suspension a quick clean every now and then. Easy peasy. As we wrap up this episode of Electro Drive News, I want to leave you with a question. Have you ever considered giving an EUC a try? They're not for everyone, but if you're feeling adventurous and ready to take your riding skills to the next level, now's the time to jump on board. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episode.